Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my gosh. My head is so tiny. Oh, my head is so
Move. How
tiny.
do move. Move. I
Oh,
can't see it.
dude, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Move.
Save
I
it.
can't see it. I can't see it. Move. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I got it. Wait a minute.
Move a little back.
Wait. I'm trying to get right in. Get in the middle.
You're good, you're good. Get up. Perfect. Wait, I want to take a screenshot.
Wait a minute.
Dang it, I didn't get to take a screenshot. Oh jeez. That is a mess here. There we go. That'll be
Okay.
used as my thumbnail. Okay, so last episode we went to the Nether, and I worked on this room, which will be our entrance room to every place we've built. So basically, like a furnished room will be down here.
How about if it's somewhere really far away? Are we gonna add like a minecart track?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Definitely. So I'm just digging down to the storage room.
Oh, you know what a storage room is?
Yeah. What the? What is this place?
The heck? Move.
I've never seen this place before.
Where is it?
Wait, what? What?
Where's the storage room?
Well, I know what the storage room is, but I had to turn around, but
Oh, I found it. Over here.
I'm coming.
It's like over here. It's like over there. See? And then the tunnel, it goes over there. So you're like above it, I think. You're like above it. Yeah, here it is. Here's the roof. I'm stuck.
Oh my gosh.
Slash TP. Slash
Oh,
move.
whoa, here I am. Okay.
Now you have to TP to me.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
It doesn't make any difference, actually. Actually, yeah, it does. What am I doing? What am I doing? There we go. There we go. Can I TP?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, this totally looks nice. Now we have to cover this up. Can I have all your stone? Actually, wait, I got some.
Yeah, there's some stone in there.
Some regular stone, but it's only 38. I think that'll do. That'll do it. I watch too many vines. Don't judge.
Yeah.
About that.
Yes.
I want this 55-inch TV for just $10,000.
Good job, me. I'm so good. Good job, me.
Oh wait, there's some slabs in here.
We're not trying to like rip them off or anything, and if they're actually true stuff, then I'm
I
sorry.
feel like it is.
Yeah, but I mean, if they're not, you can say that in the comment section below if you don't think blah blah blah.
Blah.
Blah 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 blah. Okay, so we have the stairway.
No.
Dude,
Nope.
it looks weird, tiny and skinny.
I always have it tiny and skinny.
Now all we gotta
This
do.
one just look weird. But it's harder to get chests now. It doesn't look as nice.
It's something we gotta deal with. Okay.
Well, and look, the slabs look so weird.
Because we'll have more room.
Oh wait, I know what to do. I know what to do with the slabs. I know. Come down, look.
I'm coming.
There we go.
Oh yeah, true.
I feel like you can make the this go above the storage room, go over there, turn it around, and go down. So look. So it goes like here, and then it goes down, turns, and comes here. So it comes out of like here. You want to do that right now?
I think we're good. To be honest. because it's not really that much. I mean, we do go in the storage a lot, but whatever.
We'll change it maybe in the next episode.
So do you have a sign?
I'll make one.
There. Just need a sign so I can name the place.
Oh, I made a button. That's great.
Because signs are totally buttons.
Dang, I don't have enough planks now.
Oh wow, just enough stairs.
Wait a second. Okay, 60 hertz.
Perfect.
Here.
Thank you. What we're gonna name this is the storage.
Oh, I like that now. I like it now.
Yeah. I kind of edited it a little bit. Fixed it. So the storage room.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go get some more levels. One more level, just to be level 50.
Okay.
So yeah.
So here we go. We have a sign. Actually, should I put the sign at the bottom instead of the top because we'll see it more?
Yeah.
I think that's what I should do because we might get confused sometimes. I mean, because it just all looks the same. It's a friggin' mine, so. We're gonna have one that goes to the farm, and we won't have that quick passageway we have at the Sebastian's room. Because this is a place where we can just do all that. Whatever.
Yep.
The storage.
Dang, this lag in the nether. Dang.
There we go. And this will be the furnace room. Right next to the storage room. This is what we're gonna do this episode. Or maybe next, I don't know.
I feel like this episode.
This episode, because furnaces are pretty easy.
Yeah, we have enough cobblestone.
We got a ton of cobblestone.
Yeah, I don't think I need to go pretty far just to get nether quartz. I really don't want to fall in lava. Dang, I'm so laggy. I feel like I am.
So I don't have enough stone. I'm just gonna cover that with andesite because actually that's where andesite actually is. Okay, that works. This is gonna be awkward.
Oh, magma cube. I just noticed it. Come here, give me your magma cream. No cream? No cream? How don't you cream? Oh, he didn't drop any cream.
Okay.
Just give me your XP. I don't even think I could. Nah, I'm gonna come back. In another episode, we'll come back in another. Or actually, off camera.
That'll be in a little bit. Like when we go back in the nether for.
All we need is 2 more diamonds or more.
And we can make an enchantment table, which I kind of want to put it in the furnace.
The first thing is we should get books first.
Actually, no, we gotta call it the enchanted room. My bad.
Yeah, can I make it because I have more achievements?
Well, yeah, I got 26 levels. How many do you have?
49.
49? Okay.
I can enchant a bunch of stuff. How much lapis do we have?
I am actually not so sure.
Oh, I think we have a few blocks. Or a bunch of blocks, I think.
Yeah, so I think we're good on lapis.
Yeah.
For now. So, we'll find more, like, in a future
episode
or off camera. I don't like doing things off camera, but if you guys, hate mining, then we won't do it on camera. Because a lot of people don't like mining episodes.
A lot of people do like mining, a lot of people don't like mining.
So, because it does kind of get boring after a while, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. If there's nothing really happening.
I know, so. Crap, my pickaxe broke again.
Maybe in like sometimes we should just pause it until we find something like cool and
Yeah,
then unpause it. That's what other YouTubers do. They pause it and then they unpause when they see something interesting.
or something good.
Yeah.
We can take that nether portal and place it somewhere else.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Not yet. I don't. Just we'll wait because it's cool enough as it is.
Yeah. We're not doing any like we don't even need to move anywhere. Or this quartz no well that well this quartz over there.
Alright.
And glow and over there and
So
over
that's
there.
sticks. That's all I need. Climb up. Hello, cow. Oh, you're back. Out of that nether.
Mm-hmm. How did you notice?
I saw your name tag.
Oh, okay. Where did quartz go? Ores, right?
Carrots. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of quartz. I'm gonna make them all into blocks.
That's what we always do. Make things into blocks.
Yeah, I need to. It's just storage.
I know. I mean, it can make some pretty cool decorations too.
Yeah.
So if we want to make anything decorative, that's always nice to use. It's just it's nicer for like let's say you want to build like a modern house.
Mhm.
Because Ryan likes doing it. Usually he uses quartz and stuff like that and spruce wood, which we sadly don't have spruce wood because we haven't found a ice
We
biome
haven't gone exploring a
or
bunch
snow
yet.
biome.
I'm gonna get a bunch of oh just we have 14 furnaces. I forgot about that.
Yeah, we need to store all these furnaces in here. Then we're gonna have a chest full of coal in the middle. So I'm gonna make a
I
crap
have
ton of
52
furnaces.
furnaces.
Okay. Can you hand me them, please?
Yeah.
Because I think I got it from here. I almost knocked down that painting.
I'm gonna get some coal.
Thank you. Okay, I might have to make this room a little bigger just for 52 furnaces.
We need a lot more coal.
Yeah.
I need at least 32 coal. Maybe I don't know. Here you go. That's only a
Thank you.
stack. Oh, there's some coal here. I'm gonna get that. And then I'll patch it up with like andesite or
We're looking
diorite.
for coal. We can't find coal. Oh, there's coal.
There's coal. It's like my mic is muted.
Yeah, we're doing a lot of mining episodes though.
Yeah,
If you haven't noticed, I mean, my episodes haven't gone up just yet, but
mine have.
they will be coming up maybe this weekend, and I might get. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get an episode today, but
Yeah.
you know,
What was I getting? Oh yeah. And the site. Or granite. I meant granite. Oh wait, there's coal. There's some coal down here in the storage room. I forgot. It's like there's on the wall.
yeah, there's a crap ton of stuff on the wall. Because we just left it to look like that. We should
Yeah.
decorate it maybe one day.
Yeah, we will. We will.
Right now, it's just getting everything kind of set up for us to do building stuff like that.
Yeah. And in the future, we'll decorate it.
Yeah.
And yep. And we might stream SURVIVed again. But I think I can stream when I get a new computer. This computer isn't fast enough to run OBS or to stream. Yeah.
It is a laptop. I mean, not saying like
It doesn't
laptops
matter
are
if
slow.
it's just a laptop.
Well, no, I'm not trying to like say that
I
laptops
know.
are slow, but
I know, but it's not. It's not a gaming laptop.
apparently I didn't even have enough furnaces
You don't have enough furnaces.
to finish up that whole room. No.
Dang, how much do you need?
Here, I'll make some. Oh wow, I just got an extra furnace. Okay, you must have dropped.
What, you
one or
have enough? You have a lot of cobblestone.
Yeah, I got a ton of cobblestone.
Okay.
So, also, tell us what you think about this series. Do you like it? Is it something new? Probably not, but is it something you like and you want us to keep on? If you guys don't like this series and we get a lot of downvotes on it, it might have to be hard to say, but we might have to like quit the series.
Yeah.
If it just gets bad reviews.
Or if there's not enough stuff, just comment down below what you want us to do.
Exactly. So
Here, Hunter, here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me see the style of the... Oh, are you gonna put... Oh, can I have some furnaces just to help off?
There's not that many furnaces.
Let me see your furnaces.
I'm literally just out right now. And I'm out.
Okay, I'll go get some.
I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8
8?
more. Yeah.
Oh, that's basically a stack of
Yep.
cobblestone, so...
And also tell us if you want our commentary to change maybe a little bit. If you don't kind of like it. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
And it's done.
Or if you want anyone else to join, like if you want one of you guys to join, if one of you guys want to join, then
We have
I'm
so
more than
many
happy.
we have so many furnaces. We're not gonna have. We need like a full double chest full of coal for that stuff.
Yeah.
We don't have that much coal.
We just need an enchant table to get fortune. We need fortune. And unbreaking. And efficiency. But mostly fortune.
But yeah, here's the furnace room. See, it was really quick to make.
You want to smelt a lot of stone and make all this and make all this into the roof, the walls, and the floor stone brick?
Sure.
Okay, I'll go get some I'll make some I'll smelt I meant.
Oh yeah, you gotta smell them.
Yeah.
That sucks.
It's fine.
So hold on a second.
Okay. So yeah, comment down below what you want us to do in the next episode. Or if, what do you guys want to join? So, anything.
Like you guys might join, but then you're gonna know our Hamachi stuff, and until it becomes like a public server soon.
But the thing is, they can't even join anyway. No one can join besides you.
Yeah, I know. So that's just the thing is that we're probably not gonna get you guys to be in
Yet.
Yeah, true.
Because this is basically a single player world, but we have a Machi.
Hopefully one day we can port this world into a world which is going to be multiplayer for you guys.
Can I have your coal?
Yeah, this is all the coal you had.
Oh, it's still a lie.
Okay. What else kind of rooms should we add?
I don't know.
That's what you guys should ask to, or say too. If we can know what we need, what would be good. Ooh, puppy playroom.
Puppy playroom.
We need to make that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm coming out of my shell. Come on.
How long this video's been going? Almost 20 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
I need to go at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Because I gotta do things.
Yeah, I need to go to sleep.
I gotta do things and then go to sleep because school.
Oh.
Stuff like that.
Okay, I'm gonna put the coal back in the storage room.
Okay.
It's all smelting. So, ores. We have 9 blocks and 1 regular lapis blocks. That's a lot still.
Yeah.
Hunter, come here. Come to the storage room for a second.
Hold on a second.
Let me organize this. Don't look in the chest yet. Don't look in the ores chest.
Doggy. How should I spell doggy? DOGGIE or
I think isn't it?
DOGGY?
I think is that.
I think it's the IE.
Okay, come in the storage room.
The dog
Actually, not yet, not yet.
playroom. There we go. Call it that.
Okay, come in the room. The storage room. Oh, god dang it, I'm not done yet. God. Don't look.
Okay, what chest?
The ore. Okay, now you can look.
Where? In the storage room?
Why can't I break this crafting table?
I don't know. Something's lagging.
Do you see me breaking it?
I don't see anything.
Can you break it?
No.
Can
No.
you break it? Can you
No.
break it?
Yeah. Think. Yeah, I can break it.
Yes. Thank you. Don't put it back down. I can't break it. Can
What
I break
the
any
heck?
other blocks? I can't break any other blocks. Opt me.
What? You are opt. Dude. I
Wait.
can't do anything.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
There we go.
And you reappeared too. Yeah, I like it. That's cool.
Yep.
You got everything else
Our
sorted out.
enchanted golden apple for the wither, because the ender dragon I heard is not actually that hard.
No.
Oh, this is gonna be the doggy playroom. Ooh.
Yep. And we're gonna make it all colorful. Once we get, actually, I have a ton of wool that I got, from llama,
Llama.
Yeah.
Just random llama.
and I don't know where it is though. Oh my gosh, my throat is killing me. Yeah, I got the wool. Take one lapis. One lapis.
One lapis. Why do you need one lapis?
I'm just gonna make blue wool.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna color it at the front. There we go. Ooh. I like it.
Maybe off camera we should go mining for coal.
Yeah, my throat is just dying. Ow. Oh no. I don't want my voice to die.
Oh, that's the anvil.
Stop placing the anvil. I like it though. That's cool. Stoneworks have always been cool.
God dang
Oh my
it.
gosh, give it to me. I'm just gonna make an extra furnace. I'm gonna make an extra chest, so that way it could show what it is on the outside. And I think we might end off this episode.
Wait, let me finish this first.
Yeah, my voice is so scratchy, and I like every time I try and gulp, like my throat hurts.
Oh.
Oh, I hate that feeling. I haven't had that feeling forever. Jeez, my voice is gonna die.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's gonna do that, and then I'm gonna have a hard time talking for a while.
Yeah.
Probably for maybe a couple days. Well, actually, this weekend's gonna be not that bad, so it's gonna be a couple days. So, whatever. I won't talk that much, I guess. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I got an idea.
What?
You'll see.
Okay.
Okay, I need wood. Wood.
Yeah, it's been going for 24 minutes, so when I do this, we will end off the episode.
Oh, my headphones is screwing up. Oh, jeez. Okay. Now I can hear through both sides of the headphones. This headset's kind of old now.
Is that the one with the good mic? Really, really good mic?
Yeah,
that picks up everything?
The Logitech.
Ah.
It's very good. And I only got it for $30.
Huh. Okay, the smelting room's done. Let me collect all the stone and the coal.
cool looking. I like it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like this furniture room. Yeah, I put cobblestone walls now around.
Cobblestone walls.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And then one
Yeah.
last touch. Yeah, actually.
I'm gonna put chest there.
Oh,
Right, chest right there. Actually, I'll put it right up here. There we go. What is up there? Oh, sure, you mine coal. All I need to make is a furnace and a chest. Okay. I don't want to make 2 chests though. Dang it. Too much wood. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna stop talking right now, cause I did kind of yell at my little brother a little, like, not too long ago, cause he was really annoying, and he would not stop being annoying, and really, really tiring. Because
I don't know how it feels.
No, maybe I should leave you with him one day.
Why?
I'm just kidding. I mean, you want to know how
No,
it
the
feels?
thing is, I just don't want to. I don't know. I just want to stay an only child.
Well, no, that doesn't mean you're just gonna turn into a.
I know. But I just want to feel like an only child for the rest of my life.
In this place, we'll go to the farm. So, right here.
Okay. Let's not go like in the middle of the farm. Go on the sides.
Well, yeah, I know what to do. It's just it'll be next
God
episode.
dang, it's dark in here.
What?
There, in the furnace room. Cause the light is okay. That's bright enough, so no mobs will spawn. Local difficulty 150. Okay.
I need to see. I think I'll go down this low, and I'll.
It's been going for almost 30 minutes, so
Okay, I think we should end it here.
yeah. And then after this, we might do like this big room, all stone bricks in the next episode. Maybe no, off camera.
We're gonna do the doggy playroom next episode.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Actually, almost. Actually, that's right about being perfect.
Let me see.
Look at how close.
Huh. I liked it.
Yeah.
So
Perfect.
hopefully you enjoyed this episode.
Of, it survived. And sorry for bad commentary, like, because we suck at commentary.
Yeah, we do.
It's sad. We're gonna get rid of this. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this right now. Because, why not? If you guys want, like, maybe a little bit of a longer episode, so why not? Oh, hello, Sparky. Oh, Cal, don't make me hit Sparky, please. Go,
If you hit Sparky, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh no, the cow was pushing him to where I was about to hit him. I'm like, no, dude, I'm trying to break things.
Oh. Just are you serious?
Yes. Oh my gosh, the trapdoor went this far down.
Now you can go get the other ones.
Alright, can you place just regular wood there?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then we're gonna have to cover this up. And that'll be next episode. So, hopefully you enjoyed this episode.
You can stay down there. You can just get out the tunnel in the farm.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.
Bye.
Goodbye. And my pickaxe broke right at the right timing.